Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video we'll be talking about Amazon product research. So you could just head to amazon.com and enter anything you'd like. So if I want to sell something like a mop on Facebook, and I think there might be a wider selection of products on Amazon, well, very quickly you could click on research and you'll see we have the max competitors, minimum number of sales, minimum revenue, and then the maximum seller rank, the sales rank of a product. So for Amazon, the higher the sales rank, the worse the item sells, and the lower the sales rank, like let's say the sales rank is number 1, right? So the item sells a lot. So what you really need to know about on Amazon is they don't tell anybody about their sales data, right? It's all speculation for the most part, but what you need to know for the most part is the maximum competitors and the maximum seller rank are the main two things, right? So a good seller rank is anything below 250,000. That number would be a good selling product. It would sell for sure on Facebook. But then you can go ahead and fill other parts in. The parts that you don't fill in, they just won't be taken into account when products get highlighted. But let's go ahead and run some research on the mop. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of green products here because mops sell extremely well. They definitely sell more than 5 times a month on Amazon. So and a lot of these are private label brands, so trademark brands, so they won't have a lot of competitors, but some of them you can see that they have some competitors. So now let's sort of pivot towards the dropshipping side of things and see if this product from Home Depot was actually listed by anybody on Amazon. And the way you can do that is just get any product on Home Depot and grab the model number and just paste it, and you can see we have some Husky products. So you just wait for the Fbmfox buttons to load up and then go ahead and do some research. So yeah, I wouldn't want more than like 15 competitors, minimum 5 sales a month, max seller rank is 250,000. Let's do that research. Yeah, so this listing, $0 a month. This one looks promising. This one looks good. And these just don't apply for the most part. But this is a 2-pack that someone's doing. They're obviously clearly a drop shipper. This is a this is a double pack also that's selling. So if you see that they're selling it for double the price plus a markup, so it would be like $38, and then they're adding on about $9 here, and here it would be about $38 also, but then they're adding about $20-30 on top of that. So anyways, what you could do is, if you find a dropshipper, you could just click research seller and go through all of their items just like on eBay. So you could click research and click search. Right. It tells you how many competitors and all of that. So this one clearly has a lot of competitors. This item is most likely from Walmart. So yeah, you could go through sellers' products. You could save them. So you could click home. You could type in Home Depot, for example, anything you want. Save the seller, and then you could see it in your dashboard also. So this seller's name was I don't want to pronounce that, but if you go into your sellers list, you'll find it there. If I just search it up, oops, I pasted it twice. If I search it up, you'll see it, and if I click on it, it takes you right to the products page. So yeah, that is how you mess around with product research on Fbmfox for Amazon.com. Hope you guys like the update. Honestly, I still like eBay product research because it's very similar to the Facebook marketplace. It was supposed to be a person-to-person sort of marketplace, much like eBay. But if you guys want to try this feature out, go ahead, try it out. It's in everybody's subscriptions. So thanks so much. See you guys in another video. Oh, right. We also have an 8 or 9 videos series coming out on how to effectively set your account up for automatic repricing on Facebook Marketplace. The reason it's taking so long is there's a lot of things that need to be blurred in that video due to privacy of listings and whatnot. So once that's done, we're gonna release it, and hopefully that can get a lot of the people who are not on beta testing set up for automatic repricing to Facebook Marketplace. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.